Hi everyone, I am Dr. Millie and you are watching Element Chemistry. In last video, we have gone through the concept of chemical equilibrium for the normal reaction where the concentrations of the reactant and the product were given, as well as for the gas phase reaction where the partial pressure of the gaseous reactant and the gaseous product were given. When we calculated the equilibrium constant using the concentration of the reactant and the product, we called that equilibrium constant as Kc. We defined it as Kc, जहाँ पर C क्या था, concentration of the reactant and product, मतलब like concentration we have mentioned. On the other hand side, when we have taken the gaseous equation जहाँ पे product and reactant both are in the gaseous state, तब हम लोगों ने क्या define किया था, the equilibrium constant considering partial pressures of the reactants as well as products, तब हमने उसे बोला था Kp. Now let us start what is the relationship between Kp and Kc, because this will carry a lot of weightage for your exam क्योंकि इससे related question exam में आता है. So we will find out the relationship between Kp and Kc. We'll derive it. बहुत small simple सा derivation है. So let's start with it. So just assume the reaction AA plus BB which gives you CC and D moles of D. Okay, for this particular reaction we have derived that Kp was what? Kp was, because this is gas, this is also gas and gas. That is why we have used the term Kp here. Na? So what is Kp? Kp was the pressure of C product raised to power stoichiometric coefficient and D the pressure of D raised to power stoichiometric coefficient divided by the pressure of reactant, product of the pressure of the reactant raised to power their stoichiometric coefficient. So this is AA and PBB. Okay, so this was Kp. I hope all of you did not forget it. ना आप लोगों को सबको याद है. So this was the expression for Kp. Remember, in the state of matter, we have learned an equation called ideal gas equation, which is named as PV equals to nRT. Remember this equation? PV equals to nRT. In this PV equals to nRT, P is the pressure, V is the volume, N is the mole, R is the gas constant, and T is the temperature in the Kelvin. So do remember, capital T means temperature in Kelvin. तो अगर आपको डिग्री सेल्सियस में दिया है तो you will convert it into the Kelvin, तब आप उसे यूटिलाइज करेंगे. ठीक है. So this is what we learned in the state of matter chapter, and it is called gaseous equation, ideal gas equation. So how we are going to do it here? Actually, we want a relationship between pressure and concentration. And what is concentration? I am going to make changes in this equation. PV equals to nRT को can I write it? P equals to n upon VRT. लिख सकते हैं. तो what is n upon V? Moles per liter. And what is this moles per liter? It's the concentration term. तो हम जब भी concentration को define करते हैं, we take it in the moles per liter. तो क्या मैं इसे C से replace कर दूँ moles per liter को? So what is it? P equals to CRT. Okay, so what actually we are going to do here is, अब हम एक एक करके, suppose if I am talking about the pressure of C, I am starting from that side ना, तो pressure of C अगर है मेरे पास, तो can I write it as concentration of the C RT, and if I talk about the pressure of D, concentration of D RT. Like that we can have the pressures of the various reactant and the product, and we can replace the value of these P by CRT concept, isn't it? So let's do it. Kp will be equal to CCRT raised to power their stoichiometric coefficient, CDRT raised to power their stoichiometric coefficient divided by CART raised to power stoichiometric coefficient, CB RT raised to power their stoichiometric coefficient. All of you can see here RT common जा रहा है, तो इसको अलग निकाल लेते हैं. So what is left out here? CC dot CD. Okay, raised to power C raised to power D. And what we have taken out? RT raised to power powers will be added, C plus D. ठीक है. Now what? Divided by, same way we will take out this CA and CB raised to power, there is stoichiometric coefficient, and RT will be out. Can you see there? This is A and B, so I will add A plus B. Okay. Now we are talking about one thing which is important here is ये C और T and A and B are the gaseous. तो the molecules which are in the gaseous state will be considered in this particular reaction. तो आप total number of molecules, ये क्या हुए? Total number of moles of the molecules of the product, and these are the number of moles of the molecules of the reactant. कौन से molecules? Gaseous molecule. तो please remember number of moles of the gaseous molecules of the reactant and product we are considering. We are not going to consider the product which are solid or the reactant which are solid or liquid in state. ठीक है. So what is left out? Now just observe this thing. Concentration of C, concentration of T, concentration of A and concentration of B. This can be replaced by Kc क्योंकि यही तो होता है Kc. We have seen this Kc was Kc for this reaction. Any reaction where the concentration was taken in a mole per liter, हमने इसे क्या लिखा था? Concentration of C raised to power C, concentration, हाँ ठीक है ना, concentration of C raised to power C, concentration of D raised to power D, and concentration of A raised to power A, and concentration of B raised to power B. अब concentration ही है ना, ये भी क्या है? What is it? Concentration. तो can't I replace it with Kc? replace कर सकते हैं, तो करते हैं. चलिए, now Kp will be equal to, I am replacing this with Kc and RT. Now I am taking it to the upside and powers नीचे से ऊपर जाएंगी ना, तो C plus D minus A plus B. ठीक है. Now C plus D क्या है? Number of moles of product. तो मैं ऐसे लिख सकती हूँ क्या? Kc equals to RT. ठीक है. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट कौन से? गैसियस माइनस नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट कैसे? गैसेस. कैन आई रिप्लेस इट विद Kc RT रेज टू पावर डेल्टा Ng. डेल्टा Ng, जहां पे डेल्टा Ng का क्या मतलब हुआ? नंबर ऑफ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मोल्स ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट एंड प्रोडक्ट. तो आप रिएक्टेंट माइनस प्रोडक्ट करेंगे कौन से? G, gaseous state वाले. So this is what we have the relationship between Kp and Kc. So I can write the relationship at Kp equals to Kc RT raised to power delta Ng. This is the relationship. I hope it is clear to you. Kp equals to Kc RT raised to power delta Ng. Make sure that you are using the moles, number of moles of the reactant and the product which are in the gaseous state. Solid, liquid कोई और consider नहीं करने हैं, only the gaseous state. So they will be mentioning there in the equation कि कौन कौन से gaseous हैं, तो G they will be writing down. Then you have to consider it. So this is all about the relationship between Kp and Kc. अब कहाँ यूज करेंगे? वी विल सी सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस. स्टार्ट करें. एनसीईआरटी के क्वेश्चन उठाते हैं एंड वी विल सॉल्व इट वन बाय वन. ठीक है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन विच इज टेकन फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी. इट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7.5. एनसीईआरटी बैक साइड एक्सरसाइज आई एम टेकिंग क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट, बट आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद द सिंपल वन. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू अप्लाई द कॉन्सेप्ट. शुरू करें. सो दिस इज व्हाट, फाइंड आउट द वैल्यूज ऑफ Kc. आपको Kc निकालना है फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इक्विलिब्रियम. अब मैंने यहाँ पे एक ही क्वेश्चन का पार्ट लिया हुआ है, सो ईच की जरूरत नहीं है. फॉर द इक्विलिब्रिया फ्रॉम द वैल्यू यूजिंग Kp, मतलब यू आर गिवन हियर Kp, वैल्यू ऑफ Kp 1.8 into 10 raised to power 2 एट द 500 केल्विन. तो आपको इस टेम्परेचर पर Kp का वैल्यू इज गिवन एंड व्हाट इज गिवन, दिस इक्वेशन इज गिवन एंड यू आर आस्क्ड टू कैलकुलेट the Kc. So you have to calculate what is Kc. So Kp is given, Kc is asked, so we have to apply the simple concept where we can use the relationship between Kp and Kc. We know this Kp equals to Kc RT raised to power delta Ng. Now Kp is given to you 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 2. Kc you are asked, RT क्या है? R is what? when the pressure is given in the bar, most of the time the pressure is given in the bars. जब भी वो प्रेशर चेंज करेंगे तो दे विल लेट यू नो, अदरवाइज यू विल टेक इट इन द बार. आप मान के चलेंगे कि जो आपका आर है दैट इज अ गैस कांस्टेंट 0.0831, and this is when the pressure is in the bar, when the volume is in the liter, and the temperature which is given in the Kelvin. So make sure that the pressure, temperature and the volume are given the same way. So this is, most of the time it is taken at 0.0831 multiplied by 500. ठीक है. Now delta Ng क्या होगा? Moles of the product minus moles of the reactant. तो 2 plus 1 3 moles of the product minus moles of the reactant. 1 हो गया. So this is what? Kc raised to power 1. So this is 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 2 Kc into 0.0831 into 500. Okay, now what happens? Kc will be equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 2 divided by 0.0831 into 500. So this way you can easily calculate the value of Kc. I hope it is clear. Okay, now let's move to the next question. So your next question is question number 7.8, which is also taken from NCERT, and the question says that reaction between nitrogen and oxygen takes place as follows. Reaction between nitrogen and oxygen takes place as follows. Okay, so what is reaction? N2 gas plus O2, which is again a gas, gives you N2O, which is again a gas. To balance the reaction will be balanced like this. All are in the gaseous state. If the mixture of 0.482 moles nitrogen, and 0.933 mole of oxygen is placed in 10-liter vessel and allowed to form N2O at the temperature for which Kc is equal to 2.0 into 10 raised to power minus 37, very small. Determine the composition of the equilibrium mixture. Determine the concentration at equilibrium mixture. डिटरमाइन द कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम मिक्सचर. कॉम्पोजिशन पूछ रहा है, मतलब कॉम्पोजिशन का मतलब है कि इक्विलिब्रियम पर कितना क्या है. तो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन की जगह कॉम्पोजिशन लिख सकते हैं हम यहाँ पे, कॉम्पोजिशन. ओके, सो लिसन टू द क्वेश्चन अगेन. रिएक्शन बिटवीन नाइट्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन इज गिवन टू यू. नाइट्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन आर मेकिंग नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड. सेकेंड थिंग इज, if the mixture of 0.482 nitrogen and इतने moles of nitrogen and इतने moles of oxygen एक 10 लीटर के फ्लास्क में रखे हुए हैं. ठीक है, सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर इज, ये 10 लीटर का फ्लास्क है एंड नाइट्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन आर टेकन. 0.482 moles of nitrogen दिए हुए हैं एंड इन दिस फ्लास्क 0.933 moles of oxygen दिया हुआ है. नाउ वेसल में रखे हुए हैं. नाउ दे आर अलाउड टू फॉर्म N2O फॉर विच Kc फॉर द रिएक्शन एट द इक्विलिब्रियम इज 2.0 into 10 raised to power minus 37. तो अगर Kc इतना है तो कॉम्पोजिशन मीन्स कितना नाइट्रोजन एंड कितना ऑक्सीजन एंड कितना N2O इज प्रेजेंट when the Kc value is this, when the reaction is at the equilibrium. ये आपसे पूछा गया है. So let's do it. First of all, write down the equation. 2N2 gas plus O2 gas gives you 2N2O gas. ठीक है, हम मान के चलते हैं स्टार्टिंग में हाउ मच इज टेकन इन द स्टार्टिंग इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन. इनिशियल व्हाट इज टेकन इनिशियली 0.482 मोल्स इसके नाइट्रोजन के एंड 0.933 moles of oxygen थे. But initially the products were not formed at equilibrium. At equilibrium, and obviously equilibrium पर जो आपका Kc है, this Kc was given to you at this particular concentration. अब ये concentration क्या है? Kc is given to you, but rest of the things are not given. But one thing we know that suppose हमें नहीं पता कितना moles of N2O was formed, but one thing we are confirmed that 2 moles of nitrogen when they will break down, they will give you 2 moles of nitrogen oxide. ठीक है, तो the number of moles of nitrogen will be equal to the number of moles of nitrogen oxide या nitrous oxide form. तो हमें assume करते हैं, let us assume concentration क्या थी initially concentration, हम concentration लिख रहे हैं ना, तो concentration में होती है moles per liter. कितना लीटर है? This container is of 10 liter. तो आई एम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द कंसंट्रेशन. यहाँ मोल्स दिया है ना, तो वॉल्यूम यानी कि द मोल्स डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम एंड वॉल्यूम इज 10, तो ये डिवाइडेड बाय 10 पहले ही कर लेते हैं. नाउ एट द इक्विलिब्रियम ये आंसर हो जाएगा आपका, दिस इज 0.0482 मोल्स, दिस इज 0.0933 मोल्स पर लीटर, मोल्स पर लीटर. तो कंसंट्रेशन में मैंने कन्वर्ट कर दिया है. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट, इक्विलिब्रियम पर इनका कंसंट्रेशन क्या होगा. इसका नहीं पता हमें, ये भी नहीं पता कि कितना ये टूटा है, बट हमें Kc पता है. ओके, तो हम ये मान लेते हैं कि सपोज ये x टूटा है. ठीक है, तो लेट्स सपोज कि ये x टूटा है, तो 0.0482 माइनस x विल बी द कंसंट्रेशन एट द इक्विलिब्रियम. इसकी कंसंट्रेशन कितनी होगी जब ये एक x मोल, व्हेन इट ब्रेक्स डाउन x मोल्स, जब ये 2 मोल्स टूटता है तो ये 1 मोल टूटता है. इट मीन्स व्हाट, जब ये x मोल टूटेगा तो ये x/2 मोल्स टूटेगा. तो कैन आई राइट इट एज 0.0933 में से माइनस कर दीजिए x/2, इजंट इट, सो दैट ये x टूटा, ये x/2 टूटा, एंड व्हाट हाउ मच इज फॉर्म्ड, दिस इज 2x मोल्स. क्यों? means the mole of nitrogen reacted equal to the mole of nitrous oxide form. ठीक है, तो this is x mole reacted, तो x mole will be formed. ठीक है, so this is what the concentration as at the equilibrium. अब Kc दिया हुआ है आपको. अच्छा, Kc is what? Kc is the concentration of the product raised to power their stoichiometric coefficient. इसको x/10 कर रही हूँ मैं, क्योंकि ये भी 10 लीटर में है ना, हमने वहाँ पे शुरू में किया नहीं था. divided by what? Divided by 0.0482 minus x raised to power 2 multiplied by 0.0933 minus x by 2. This is Kc. One thing important here is, all of you know that the value of Kc is given 2.0 into 10 raised to power minus 37. It means that Kc is so small that very small amount of this will be dissociated to form the product. बहुत कम reaction proceed की होगी, because the Kc is the major determining factor which decides कि कितने product बनेंगे. तो इस केस में the amount of substance dissociated, reactant dissociated will be too small. इतना छोटा होगा कि you can neglect it, you can avoid it. तो अगर मैं ये x को avoid कर सकती हूँ यहाँ पर, तो I will just change the equation as x square divided by 100 यानी 0.01 कर देती हूँ मैं इसको, 10 into 10 होता ना, ये like this, सॉरी, है ना. अब 0.0482 multiplied by 0.0933. So now you can calculate it and you can come to know Kc का वैल्यू भी लगा दीजिए. What is that? 2 into 10 raised to power minus 37. So you can calculate the value of x now. निकाल सकते हैं. तो x की वैल्यू you can easily find out and that will give you the concentration as x value. Calculate the x value of x and put the values and get the answer. Now you can, I hope you can calculate it easily. तीसरा क्वेश्चन करें. So I am taking question number 7.9 again from NCERT. It is 7.9. Reaction is given to you 2NO plus bromine. Gaseous reactant are given to you. Bromine to give you NOBr. Okay. So this is what happening in the reaction. All of them are in the gaseous state. For this reaction, if a mixture of 0.0437 moles of bromine and 0.087 moles of NO, they are mixed in a closed container at constant temperature. Okay, now 0.0518 mole. Now 0.0518 moles of NOBr is obtained at equilibrium. Calculate the equilibrium amount of NO and Br2. Calculate the equilibrium amount of NO and Br2. फिर से सुनिए क्या दिया हुआ है. The question is saying that this reaction is happening in the closed vessel where the amount of bromine and the amount, yani the moles of the bromine and the moles of the nitrogen oxide are taken in a closed vessel, so that we can determine this thing that it is a reversible reaction going on, because we are going to apply the state of equilibrium only in the reversible condition. Closed vessel में ही they are possible. So they are taken in the closed vessel जहाँ पे इतनी और इतने moles are taken of these two reactants. This is the number of mole of NOBr at the equilibrium state. तो equilibrium state पे NOBr is 0.0518 moles. So you are supposed to calculate the amount which is present at the equilibrium of these two. Okay, you have to calculate the amount of these two at the equilibrium state. शुरू करें. First thing is write down the equation. 2NO plus bromine gives you 2NOBr. Initially क्या दिया हुआ है? Initial concentration. So initially what is given to you? NO. How much NO is given? 0.087 what moles. Okay, इतने moles of this reacting with 0.0437 moles of bromine. अब यहाँ पे initially there was no NOBr formed. Okay, now what is happening? Now at the equilibrium, so what is happening at the equilibrium? Equilibrium पर the concentration of this NOBr 0.0518. This is given to you. We are not knowing कि ये कितना है यहाँ पर. So this is what the question is. ये कितना है? What is the amount of substance called NO and bromine? What is the amount of the reactant used? What is the amount of the reactant at the equilibrium state? So that we have to find out. Now just see to the reaction. 2 moles of this break down to form 2 moles of NOBr. So can you assume that itne moles of NOBr is formed? Means what? Means that same number of moles of this NO would have been broken down. Means 0.087 minus 0.0518. इतने बचे हैं, इतने बने हैं इसका मतलब इसके इतने टूटे हैं. तो इतने जब टूटे हैं तो what is left out at the equilibrium? This is 0.087 minus 0.0518. तो 0.087 minus 0.0518. So what will be the answer? The 252. 0.0252. 352 होगा. So this is 0.0352. तो इसका कंसंट्रेशन उन पर कितना बना 0.0352 moles ऑफ दिस इज फाउंड. अब जस्ट एज्यूम 1 mole of bromine gives 2 moles of this. If 2 moles of this, if this number of moles are formed, इसका मतलब है इसके आधे number of moles of this would have been dissociated here. तो this divided by 2 कर दो. What is this? 0.0518 divided by 2 number of moles would have been dissociated for the bromine. है ना? तो this is what 0.0259. So 0.0437 इनिशियल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स में से इतने हैव बीन डिसोसिएटेड टू फॉर्म इतने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ 0.0518. तो इसको निकालें 0.0437 डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस 0.0259. ठीक है 0.0259 तो ये आ गया आपका 8710. ठीक है तो ये हो गया 0.0178 watt moles. This is what the concentration at the equilibrium. This is nitrogen oxide, this is for the bromine, and this is for the NOBr. Now let us understand it once again. What is happening here is initially this was the concentration taken. It was not present because it was the initial time and no products were formed. Next thing, they are saying equilibrium पर this amount of NOBr was formed. तो इनका concentration क्या है या what not concentration, what is the composition, how much is left out. तो अगर ये इतना बना है it means same number of moles, this is 0.0518 mole, तो same number of moles क्योंकि you can see that when the 2 moles of NO react they form 2 moles of NOBr. तो अगर ये इतने मोल बना है it means कि इतने same number of moles of NOBr have been reacted. तो इतना mole is reacted तो कितना is left, this much is left. Okay, same way you can see the relationship between when the 1 mole of bromine react they form 2 moles. तो जब ये 2 मोल बनता है तो ये 1 मोल टूटता है. इट मीन्स जब इतने मोल बना है तो इतने डिवाइडेड बाय 2 मोल्स ये टूटेगा. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, इतना कितना रिएक्ट किया 0.0437 वाज ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग देयर. नाउ इसमें से कितना माइनस किया, जितने मोल इट हैज रिएक्टेड, जितना अमाउंट बना है उसका आधा. सो दिस इज व्हाट reacted and what is left, the concentration at the equilibrium. So this mole of this nitrogen oxide react with itne mole of this bromine to form 0.0518 moles of NOBr. I hope it is clear to you. It is very simple question, but you have to understand the concept that ultimately you have to take care that what he is asking. He is asking the composition at the equilibrium. The equilibrium state पे we know this thing that Kc क्या होता है. Kc is the ratio between the product raised to power their stoichiometric coefficient and the reactant, the product of the reactant raised to power their stoichiometric coefficient. So accordingly we will deal with the question. So we have to take care that if there is a mass given to you, you just convert it into the moles and then find it ki what is the amount, what is the volume of the vessel in which the reactants are kept, because we need the concentration moles per liter. ठीक है तो this is moles per liter. तो पहले आपको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा ग्राम्स को इनटू मोल्स एंड देन यू हैव टू सी व्हाट इज द कंसंट्रेशन इन लीटर, कितने के फ्लास्क में रखा हुआ है ये देखना पड़ेगा. तो आई होप इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट एंड यू कैन नाउ अप्लाई द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ Kp and Kc. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it and subscribe my channel.